Oh, look, it's bending. But it worked and it didn't break. Okay, so your options are either you're short or you have a physical impediment that makes it difficult either for you to bend down or reach up, and you need to be able to get things reasonably, which is a completely reasonable request. The question is, are these grabbers from Top Grot the right ones for you? We're going to check it out right now. First off, I can tell you, number one, there are two in here. They are so light. They fold up, which makes them easy to store, easy to transport, and take one out. So here's what they look like coming out of the box. Super straightforward. Just unvelcro them, and then you can catch the box when it tries to fall over. How cool is that? We're going to do a too heavy shape to pick up, and then we're going to pick up something at a height so that you can see all those different situations, make sure it works for you. A nice round handle for this screwdriver. How about that? How cool is that? That is so cool. How about something that's too heavy that we shouldn't be picking up with this, like a heavy battery for starting a car? Oh, look, it's bending. But it worked and it didn't break. Pretty impressive. Don't pick up something that heavy, but now you know just how strong this is, because this is actually heavy. Okay, welcome back from that third test. This has been an absolute triple victory test. It works perfectly. I love that it is a 2-pack. I love that it's so light. I love that it is collapsible. I pretty much just love this thing. One other thing which I didn't talk to you about, it has magnets. Look how strong the magnets are. How crazy is that? All right, let's go on that mission first party style handle for a microphone here. Let's see how dexterous we are. Pick it up at height. Oh, look at that, we got it. If you want this, there is actually a link down here on the screen. If it is not there, it's in the description. If you use that, it helps out the channel. Doesn't cost you anything extra. I want to say thank you in advance. Remember to like, subscribe while you're down there. Maybe put a comment. What are you looking to do with this? I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you in the next video.